Being able to view your images at different magnifications is essential when you're using Photoshop. Sometimes you want to see the whole image, other times you want to be able to zoom in on a particular area. There are several different ways you can view your image at different sizes. When you first load an image, this is typically what you'll see. And the first thing we can check out is on the View menu, we have a whole set of view commands. We can zoom in, we can zoom out, we can fit on the screen, we can fit layers on screen, we can look at it at 100%, 200%, print size, actual size. All of these are ways of looking at our image in a different way. So if we fit it on screen, it will enlarge to fit the window space that you have available. If I make it 100%, then you're looking at it actual life size, and so on and so forth. And you can zoom in even further by doing that. We'll reset it to fit screen. And I rarely use the menu commands. In fact, I never use the menu commands. There are easier ways to do it. Over in the toolbar, we have the magnifier tool. This is it here. It's a zoom tool. It magnifies or reduces the view of an image. So if we click that, let's see what we can do now. Well, with the magnifier selected, I can simply hold down the left button, pull the mouse towards me, and I zoom right in on an image. If I push the mouse away from me, I'll zoom out again, and I can keep going as far as my mouse will move. So pulling towards me while holding down left button will enlarge and zoom in. Pushing the mouse away from me while holding the left mouse button will zoom out. And rather conveniently, it will zoom to wherever you click your mouse in the first place. So if I want to zoom in this tree, I click on the tree and it will zoom in very conveniently on that. For those of you who have a scroll wheel, you can also use the scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Very quick, very simple, very easy. Whether that or not that works depends on you having a preference set, so you might want to disable this if for any reason you don't want to use it. And the final way is by using keyboard shortcuts. And in each case we hold down the control key. If I hold down control and press 0, it will fit the screen. If I press control 1, it will enlarge to actual size 1:1. So I'll click control 0 again to fit screen. If I hold down control and tap the minus key, every time I tap it, it will zoom out further and further and further and make the image smaller. And inversely, if I hit the plus key while holding down control, I can then zoom in to any area. And once you're zoomed in, you can then use the scroll bars to move around your image, or you could choose to use the pan tool, and the pan tool allows you to move your image around. So as you can see, it's very straightforward to look at your image in different ways. I mostly use the control keys, control 0 to fit the screen, but I will also use the magnifier on occasions if I want to zoom in on a specific area of my picture.